Nature's fury and unpredictable accidents. When floods, landslides, and traffic disasters strike, they leave behind chaos and destruction. In this video, we'll take a look at some of the most intense and shocking moments ever caught on camera. These events remind us how powerful and unpredictable the world can be. Stay alert, stay informed, and if you find this video valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. Raging waters turn streets into rivers, landslides strike without warning, and vehicles are left powerless against nature's force. In just moments, everyday life can turn into a disaster. From sudden flash floods to collapsing roads, these real-life moments show just how quickly danger can unfold. Let's take a closer look at the raw power of nature and the risks that come with it. The car plunged down, leaving it mangled and barely recognizable. The impact crushed metal and shattered windows, a shocking display of the sheer F. But despite the devastation, there's a miracle. No one was seriously hurt. A powerful reminder that while accidents In seconds, a powerful blast tears through the school, shaking the ground and sending smoke into the sky. The cause is unclear, but this shocking moment proves how fast disaster can strike. A loud boom. The tire blows out, sending the truck veering, but luckily, the driver is unharmed. A deafening blast. Within seconds, the tower is reduced to rubble, collapsing into a cloud of dust and debris. A shocking reminder of how destruction can happen in an instant. From the calm sea, a towering vortex rises, spinning violently as it stretches toward the sky. The waterspout churns the surface, pulling mist and waves into its spiraling core. A breathtaking yet dangerous force of nature, proving the ocean holds as many tempests as the sky. A loud crack, then a giant chunk of ice breaks off, plunging into the river with a massive splash.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
A deep rumble shakes the earth. Then, in an instant, the mountainside collapses. Tons of mud and debris cascade downward, swallowing everything in their path. A thick cloud of dust rises, covering the landscape in a dense, choking haze. A terrifying display of nature's raw power, reminding us how quickly the ground beneath us can give way. The driver tries to maneuver, but the truck is simply too long. With little space to turn, each move is slow and difficult, leaving the vehicle stuck in a tight spot. A tricky situation that shows why large vehicles need wide roads to navigate safely. A loud boom. The truck's tire explodes, but the driver doesn't stop. The vehicle shakes, sparks fly, yet it keeps moving forward. The celebration is in full swing. Laughter, music, and good food fill the air. But out of nowhere, the wind picks up and dark clouds roll in. Then, without warning, giant hailstones as big as eggs start crashing down. People scream and rush for cover as tables shake and balloons pop under the force of the icy barrage. Strange, thick foam rises, shifting and swirling as if alive, moving unpredictably with the wind. A bizarre sight that leaves travelers puzzled.
Whoa, dude!
An eerie sight as the sand shifts and forms strange patterns, almost as if the desert itself is alive. A reminder of nature's unpredictable beauty. Out of nowhere, the stream that once carried water now runs with solid ice, cascading down like a frozen waterfall. a rare and stunning phenomenon, turning the once familiar stream into a frozen, otherworldly sight. Next, we'll take you through some of the most vibrant and stunning moments of nature, capturing the beauty that surrounds us every day. From towering mountains to quiet rivers, these awe-inspiring scenes remind us of the incredible world we live in. The volcano erupts with a thunderous roar, sending lava and ash into the air, a stunning yet terrifying display of nature's power. A reminder of the raw energy deep beneath the earth. As the water level rises, the current grows stronger. The car, unable to withstand the force, is swept away, drifting helplessly downstream.
No way.
Thankfully, no one was inside at the time, but it's a stark reminder of how dangerous rising waters can be.
No way.
Out of nowhere, the sky darkens, and the air thickens with tension. Strong winds pick up, followed by heavy rain that seems to fall endlessly, turning the atmosphere into a chaotic storm. A sudden shift in weather, reminding us how quickly nature can change its course.
Broke window.
In an instant, the air is filled with a deafening blast. Factories crumble and bridges collapse, their structures disintegrating into dust and debris. The aftermath is chaos, with only thick clouds of smoke left in their wake. The water level rises rapidly, overwhelming the bridge. What was once a solid structure is now submerged as the river engulfs the bridge, turning it into a force of nature. The snow on the roof had built up so heavily that, with a sudden shift, it slides down in a smooth cascade, blanketing the ground in a pure, sparkling white. A serene and beautiful sight as nature's winter masterpiece unfolds. Suddenly, the floodwaters surge, engulfing everything in their path. Fortunately, everyone finds safety. A close call, but thankfully no one was harmed.
Dieser Wohnwagen leer, da ist noch ein Vorzelt dran. Back it up, back it up, back it up.
These are videos captured during the flood season, showing the overwhelming power of nature as water surges and affects communities. A glimpse into the chaos and destruction caused by floods, reminding us of the importance of preparedness and resilience.
पूरा सत्यानाश हो गया आले ग्राउंड का।
Through these powerful moments, we've witnessed the raw force of nature, whether it's floods, landslides, or other natural events. These scenes serve as a reminder of both nature's beauty and its unpredictability. Let's stay aware, stay safe, and always respect the power of the environment around us. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. Stay safe and take care.
Goodbye. B740.